Yeah, I'm just doing this shit for fun.
Sunny Saturdays, your majesty. Call you queen cause you matching me. Actually, there's nothing more than you have to be. Love you and your faculty or principle. Plus you make numbers so simple, yo. Dimples too, facing back. I'm just trying to face the fact that you gon' let me put my face in that. Raising eyebrows just as well as you raise a stack. No telling, but your intel's are facts. College educated and all that. But still, we'll ball and trap. Sweaty up in here. I'm having fun, baby.